Hey everyone, this is Spencer from Buildapreneur, and this video is going to tell you the truth about passive income online because guess what? A lot of people are telling lies to you. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. Thanks for watching the cool little intro here. Sorry for the clickbaity headline, but I think this is really important for online entrepreneurs to understand because almost all of us are going for passive income, okay? Most entrepreneurs, the true goal, not most entrepreneurs, but most online entrepreneurs have somewhat of a goal of passive income, okay? They kind of want to get away from the 50, 60, 70-hour weeks. And to do that, there are certain things you have to do. And we all get sold so often when we're buying these courses. Almost every course says something about passive income, right? Like, hey, I'm going to teach you how to make a passive income online. I'm going to, pacify your income with Shopify or e-com or create your own digital agency. And I'm going to teach you how to do it with only an hour a week and things like that, right? And they're almost always lies, okay? Most of these people they're absolutely not pulling that off in an hour or two a week. Most of them are working far beyond 40 hours a week. So we're going to talk exactly about how you really need to set up things so that you can actually make a passive income online. Okay, so we're going to dive right in here. Here's the thing: there's a few main branches of online making money. Okay, if you go out there and look, almost everyone is doing a few things. One is e-commerce. Okay, they're creating their own products. They're drop shipping from China. They're doing something where they basically make a bunch of products, or don't make a bunch of products, and then they sell these cheap things from China or your own product through Shopify or ClickFunnels or some things like that. There's no way that'll ever be passive, okay? As much as people try to sell you on that being a passive income, it's nearly impossible with physical products, okay? You've got warehousing and you've got employees and you've got support and things like that. And yeah, of course you can hire out and get people to do that for you, but guess what? You're managing employees, and it is never, ever passive when you're managing employees. And yeah, you can hire someone to manage those employees, but that still is rarely passive because that guy's gonna have questions. Like, it is very hard to have a passive income doing e-commerce, okay? That's just the nature of the game. It's hard to do. The next thing is agency, okay? Lots and lots of agencies. It's a really good way to make money and to make money fast online. So there's nothing wrong with the agency model, but it's virtually impossible to make a passive income with an agency. Yeah, you got the same thing. Yeah, I can hire people to do a lot of stuff for me, but guess what? You've got to manage those people. You've got to manage the clients. There's a lot of in-between work that goes on. Very hard to actually have a passive income with an agency. You can make plenty of money as an agency, but you find very few agency owners that say, yeah, this is a passive income. I can go hit the Bahamas for a month and not at all stress about anything. So then there's affiliate marketing, and that's what we're going to talk about. And a lot of people hate affiliate marketing. They hate it because of basically because of what affiliate marketers have done to the industry. But I want to talk about how affiliate marketing is probably the only industry that really creates passive income. Okay, if you're not familiar with that, affiliate marketing is where you go to companies like the big major software companies and things like that, and you basically sign up as an affiliate for that company, and you get paid when you send referrals to that company, and those referrals pan out, okay? It's kind of how it typically works. So the company gives you a link, and you send customers through that link to the company, and if they give the company money for something, you get paid by the company, okay? So obviously it's got its negatives. You don't get 100% of the profits and things like that, but it's definitely got its positives because you don't have to deal with support. You don't have to deal with anything. All your job is as an affiliate marketer is to get somebody over there, right? Get somebody to click your link, and then it's the company's job to sell them from then on and do all that work and support them and build value with them and create an actual customer, right? That has like a long lifetime value. That's all in the company. Your job is just that very upfront piece of getting somebody over there. So there's obviously a way to make that passive. But then there's part two to this, okay, and that's traffic, okay? So obviously as an affiliate, you got these links and you need people to click them. You need to send traffic. You need to send people. You need lots and lots of people to click those links for you to make a good income, right? Thousands and thousands of people clicking those links. And so that's where the affiliate marketers lose it, okay? So there's a lot of people that sell affiliate marketing courses and they say, hey, passive income with affiliate marketing, get $10,000 a month passive income. But guess what? A lot of those people are lying too because the methods that they're using will almost never be passive. And to give you some examples here, Facebook ads, right? If you're running Facebook ads, it's pretty hard to make that passive because guess what? The instant you turn off your ads, the instant you stop like monitoring and playing with and fixing your ads is pretty close to the instant that you stop making money with most of these companies, okay? You can do it by choosing the right companies, but for the most part, you don't want traffic sources that can instantly turn off and eliminate 100% of the money they were making, okay? Because if you do that, well, guess what? Then your income is not passive because At any instant, it could turn off and be done. Okay, so that's not really a passive income. It's a good income, but it's really relying on Facebook ads to fuel the income, which is work. And no, I don't have anything against work. It's just not very passive income. Same thing with AdWords ads. Same thing with a lot of paid, almost all versions of paid traffic, right? You're relying on Facebook, and the instant your ads stop is the same instant that things go downhill, and you stop making any money. So the name of the game here, and really the name of all passive income, online or offline, is real estate, right? Offline people, they buy real estate, and that real estate generates passive income, and they're able to use that passive income however they want. Online, it's the same concept, but it's digital real estate, okay? You're not buying a house, but you are creating digital real estate. You're creating content, and this is content that can go online and it can live forever, okay? What I mean by that is, let's compare two channels here. Let's say one person has a YouTube channel, me, and let's say Joe has, let's say he has a Facebook page. A lot of active people on his Facebook page, right? Or an Instagram page. Let's do Instagram because everyone uses Instagram. So I've got my YouTube channel. Joe has his Instagram page. We're sitting there and we're both marketing really hard, right? I'm making YouTube videos. I'm pumping them out once a day, like the one I'm pumping out right now. He's pumping out Instagram content. We're both starting to scale. Maybe he's making some more money than me in the beginning. But here's the difference, okay? 6 months down the road, Instagram, he's creating content and it's disappearing like that, right? He posts content. Maybe he gets some sales. 2 hours later, it's out of the Instagram algorithm and it's disappeared forever. Maybe a day or two later at the most. But fairly quickly, his content disappears, pretty much never to be seen again on Instagram, right? That's how Instagram works. That's how the algorithm works. And you compare that to YouTube, right? I created a YouTube video in 2017. That YouTube video is still the #1 ranking video in YouTube and in Google, both YouTube and in Google. And it's ranking for a word that has upwards of 20,000 searches every single month, okay? And I'm ranking in YouTube and Google for this keyword. It's a profitable keyword. It's a money keyword. Before you get any stipulations about that stuff, it's a great keyword. And that was in 2017, okay? So it's 2019 as I'm making this video. It's 2 years after this video, and that video is still making me money. So can you see how that's passive income? That's digital real estate. Versus Instagram, where I'm building up an audience. I've got a lot of people following me, and it's really easy to build those people up really quickly. But I've got to keep working at it. I've got to keep that Instagram going and cranking out content. If I stop cranking out content, I stop making money. If I go on vacation for a month or two, I stop making money. Instagram, Facebook, a lot of those social profiles, they're all about fresh content. That's all they want is fresh content. And you got to be churning out fresh content like a machine to keep up with them. But if you look at search engines, right, so you got YouTube, you got Quora, you got Pinterest, you got Google, you got Bing, Yahoo, all these search engines. And then podcasts are kind of a search engine as well. With these, we can create content that can live on the internet forever, okay? Similar to real estate. So my YouTube video is taking up a piece of YouTube right now, and it's bringing me in money every single month. And I haven't done anything to that video in years. It's even better than real estate because I don't have to fix crap. I haven't done anything to that video in years, and it just continues to rank and bring in money. Okay, so it's a passive income source, right? I'm totally done with it, and it's actually bringing me in money. And all search engines are like that, right? Search engines are built so you can create content, and that content will live for a very, very long time. Not forever, but it'll live for a very, very long time. Social media is built to constantly be serving up fresh, new, exciting content, okay? Which means if you're going to go for the social media side, you're probably not going to be making a passive income versus the search engine side. You're going to eventually get to where you're making a passive income, okay? So you combine affiliate marketing and you combine that with passive income traffic sources like search engines, and between the two of them, that's how you really make a passive income. That's how you actually can disappear for a year, okay? You can go to Bahamas for a year, have no internet, come back, and things will have slowly died. You'll have lost some rankings on certain things, and maybe some of your affiliate programs change and things like that, but for the most part, your money will still be coming in. You'll still have everything that you had before, okay? And if you combine that, the third piece of that pie is if you get the right affiliate programs that don't just pay you once, but they pay you monthly for everything they make off of their monthly recurring customers, then you've got a trifecta, right? You've got a match made in heaven. You've got a passive income source that's just bringing in traffic all the time, whether or not you continue to work. You've got affiliate programs that are basically, these companies are doing all the work on the back end once you bring in people, and then you've got recurring payments where you're continuing to get money from these customers that you sent years ago because the company is continuing to nurture them and provide them with a stellar service, and you're getting monthly commissions every time that customer continues to pay the company. Okay, so that's the trifecta. That's the dream. That's the affiliate marketing. And that was my rant on passive income. Okay, this is the truth about passive income online. From my experience, And in my opinion, this is the only way to actually be able to truly achieve that online passive income. Thanks for watching. Share if you like it.